Hi students, welcome to Feelings and Experiments. The topic of today is about how to use gerunds and infinitives to express feelings and opinions in experiments. The first part, we're going to check what are gerunds and infinitives. Gerunds and infinitives can replace a noun in a sentence. Gerund, the present participle, ing, form of the verb, for example, singing, dancing, and running. Infinitive, to plus the base form of the verb, to sing, to dance, to run. Let's see an example. I miss practicing in the lab. I need to find a way to do an experiment. As you can see, the first part is gerund. Why? Because we identify ing in this part. The second part, we have an infinitive. Why? Because we have to plus the verb. In order to understand better, you can check this chart, infinitive versus gerund. As you can see, you have here some verbs in order to use the infinitive. Also, you can hear other verbs in order to use gerund. Let's see another example. As taking the verbs from the chart, we have hope. We come back to the chart, we have hope here. So it is an infinitive. So from these two options, we have to choose the correct. I hope to be back to the class soon. Let's see another example. I imagine. As we can see, we have imagine and gerund. So, I imagine. What is the correct option? Seeing the reaction of my experiment. You can use the word to express your feelings. For example, what do you hope in an experiment? What do you like to do in an experiment? What do you imagine in an experiment? What do you enjoy in the experiment? What do you decide in the experiment? You can write the answers in the comments. Also, you can check the chart on the verbs in order to practice and to understand better. Try to practice the verbs and the uses. Thank you for your attention.